Pussy build, strong bones. No cap on my mama.
It's the best way to drop pants. Ooh, flying. What are you doing?
I'm drawing.
What are you drawing?
Pants for Japan.
What are they called?
Leopard leather.
Laboratory.
New phone. Ah! Are you excited?
iPhone.
Wow,
Wow, it's white. Miss, what shoes are those? What shoes are those? They're so cool.
Thank you.
They're so cool.
Thank you. I work for them.
Hey, we make clothes. I want you to see the clothes that we make. Look, come. This is my Instagram and the company that we run. We make clothes. Check it out.
I'm making clothes too.
It's good, man.
Great. Hey mama, how are you?
I'm Aristotle.
Yeah, I know.
Holy, I'm just in awe. You guys are actually twins.
Like cut and sewn and like design pieces. And then there's gonna be like the vintage. Getting crazy out here, man. What am I gonna do? What are we gonna do, Clara? We're gonna go to www.𝓛𝓪𝓡𝓸𝓹𝓪 and go buy some clothes!
I like the back.
Shorts.
Pants. Shorts. Nice low, relaxed fit.
Is that pretty good?
I know, they are good.
They're really good.
Oh.
Tuck it.
Oh, tuck it.
Yeah. The shirt's hard.
Oh my gosh, and you guys are smoking weed. That's what I like to hear.
Pirate.
It's not the same effect.
Thanks, babe.
Modeling. All three of us.
Yeah, look at us.
Oh no, I just make clothes.
Like all of this, like on stage also.
Word.
There's like the whole thing happening too. Only the best for ACC Studio.
We're going to Vivian Westwood party. No way! Yay! It's not too fun.
Nothing. It's
Now look, they're selling water bottles. The entire event for water bottles. Water bottles. Let's go get the car.
Look at this one. This girl said to me, I would like to hang out, but you wild.
Did you record that?
Papa. Oh. Papa.
Made in Italy.
We are in Tuscany, and we are painting the finest item. Boccio. Boccio's loafer. Made in Tuscany. This is the most beautiful photo and the most beautiful frame we've ever found. Coming to you. Maybe at the Rose Bowl, maybe on 𝓛𝓪𝓡𝓸𝓹, or 𝓛𝓪𝓡𝓸 Vintage. It's the real deal. Things you can't find anywhere else. Put your foot back straight.